Milrem THeMIS 2026, the future of ground combat robotics. It doesn't shout orders or roar like a tank. But when it rolls onto the battlefield, everyone listens, because this machine doesn't miss. In 2026, where warfare is shaped by speed, autonomy, and precision, the Milrem THeMIS autonomous ground robot emerges as a silent force multiplier, engineered not to dominate with size, but to change the very rules of combat. Developed by Estonia's Milrem Robotics, the THeMIS, tracked hybrid modular infantry system, was originally designed as a multipurpose support vehicle. But in 2026, its latest variant is no longer just support, it's a frontline weapon. Fully modular and AI-compatible, the upgraded THeMIS 2026 is outfitted with a heavy remote-controlled weapons station, including 30mm autocannons or .50 cal machine guns. AI-assisted target recognition, capable of autonomously identifying and tracking enemies. Integrated drone relay nodes, enabling swarm operations with UAVs and ground sensors. Reinforced armor plates, giving it resilience against small arms and shrapnel. Hybrid electric drivetrain with ultra-low acoustic signature for stealth ops. Whether patrolling perimeters, flanking enemy positions, or extracting casualties under fire, the THeMIS is redefining unmanned ground operations. What makes the THeMIS unique isn't just its weaponry, it's its brain. The 2026 version is built around real-time battlefield networking, using encrypted data links to communicate with drones, manned vehicles, and HQs simultaneously. It acts as a mobile combat node, capable of decision support or autonomous maneuvering when communication is lost. Its low profile and compact size allow it to move undetected through forests, ruins, or even urban allees, while still packing enough firepower to halt infantry advances or suppress enemy drones. In a world where technology is the new firepower, the Milrem THeMIS 2026 is no longer just an experimental robot. It's a combat-proven reality. Silent, smart, and always ready, it moves with the purpose of a soldier but the precision of a machine. This is not the future of warfare, it's already here.